Hi, welcome to SmatBot. Let's see how to create Instagram bot using SmatBot.
Choose the bot for which you wish to integrate Instagram. Set up your flow and flow setup. Go to Only for Instagram and select Generic Template. In Generic Template, you can display catalog of your products along with buttons. You can give the URL of the image, upload up to 10 images and provide title and subtitle with a character limit of 80. You can provide up to 3 buttons with button text up to 20 character limit and URL. Once satisfied, save. You can provide jumps to your questions. Then, navigate to the Install section. Click on Instagram installation and then click on the Connect to Instagram button. Log into your Facebook business account to which your Instagram business account is linked. Select the Facebook page to which the Instagram business account is connected. Your Instagram business account is now connected to SmatBot. Now, log into your Instagram account and preview the flow of your bot for which your Instagram page is connected. Great! You have successfully learned to set up Instagram bot.